Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add watermarks using CapCut. Now let's begin. Right here, I already have a video imported. I'm simply gonna click and drag it to the timeline. Now let's focus on the navbar. There will be something like text on the navbar. Simply click on it. Now there are lots of different presets available here, but for now I'm simply gonna use this default text. Click and drag. Extend it till the end of the video. Now I want to change this text to something else. You can make it bold, italics, anything, it's completely up to you. Now what I want to do is scroll down till you find something like opacity. Right here you can see this opacity setting. Simply drag this slider down. And now let's play the video. And there you have it. You have easily added a watermark to your video. You can also do the same to an image. And that's it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how you add a watermark using CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.